Welcome to Civil Engineering Knowledge channel. So please like and subscribe my channel as much as possible and share it to your friends. It will be helpful. So today's topic is one-way slab and two-way slab. Let us understand the difference between one-way and two-way. So here you can see the first is if LYB ratio is less than 2, it is considered as one-way slab. If it is greater than or equal to 2, it is considered as two-way slab. For example, let us consider a slab where Lx will be equal to 4, Ly will be equal to 2. Okay. So if the ratio is Ly by Lx, it is 2 by 4, that is it will be considered as 0.5, which is lesser than 2. Hence it is one way slab. So in the similar way, if the ratio is for example, when we solve Ly by Lx and if we get answer as some 6 or 9, it will be greater than 2. Hence, it will be considered as then two-way slab. You people understood right now how to differentiate one-way and two-way slab when dimension of the particular slab is given? Okay. So coming to the next point, that is slab is supported by beam on two opposite sides. So in two-way, slab is supported by beam on all four sides. This I will show you. So here, in case of one way, what happens? This becomes beam and this is one more beam where the slab is, this is your slab and this is beam. So in case of one-way slab, this slab is supported by beam on two opposite sides. Okay. In case of two-way, the slab is supported by beams on all four sides. That means it is supported by beams on all the four sides. This is your one-way slab, two-way slab. See, slab is supported by the beam on two opposite sides. That is, this particular slab, it is supported by the beam on two opposite sides. In case of two-way, slab is supported by beam on all four sides. So here you can see this is particular two-way slab and it is supported by beam on all the four sides. So here main bar is provided on the shorter span. One thing you should remember, in case of one way, that is, see, if you consider this as one way slab, so this is your shorter direction, let us consider as 3, and this is your longer direction, let us consider this is Ly and this is Lx. See, this is shorter span and this is longer span. So always main bar will be provided along the shorter direction but supporting on longer side. That means this is your main bar. Okay. See, there are three types of the bar that you should remember. So in case of anything that is slab, there are three types of the bar. One is main bar. The second one is distribution bar. Third one is top bar, top extra bar. So you no need of top and bottom, it is extra bar. Okay. So there are three types of the bar. So if you considered a slab as I have shown you now, that is, this is 3 meters and this is 5 meters. So along the shorter span, main bar will be provided. So this I can show in another convenient way for you people. In this way. So here So in alternate ways, the main bars will be provided. So this will be continued. Okay. This is how main bars will be provided on one-way slab. That means, so next is distribution bar. Okay, so in order to support these cranks on the top, okay, in order to support this crank on the top, the one more mat will be provided. See, sometimes you are observed that in the site, if you go, there are two types of the mat. One is bottom mat, one is top mat. So that is in case of this distribution bar that will be provided. So in case of one-way slab, main bars will be provided on shorter direction. Okay, and in case of two-way slab, so if you consider this two-way slab, even this here also the same technique applies. This is a shorter direction. So here main bars will be provided in this manner. Okay, so even at longer direction also main bar will be provided. So that means, so what is the reason that main bar is provided on the shorter direction in case of one-way slab? Because load distribution takes place on both the sides of the beam which are opposite, because slab is here supported by two beams which are on the opposite direction. So for one-way slab, load distribution will be, so when you divide this slab, it becomes two rectangle. The load distribution will be in this manner. So hence main bar will be provided on this shorter direction. In case of two-way slab, so if you consider this two-way slab, okay, you can see here distribution of the load will be in the form of trapezoidal as well as triangle. So hence load distribution is there on both the sides, that is both on Ly and Lx. That is why? Because the slab is supported on all four sides of the slab. Hence load distribution also will be taken place on all the four sides of the beam. Hence main bars will be provided on both the direction. That means main bar will be provided on the shorter direction first. After that, here distribution bar, whatever you are providing on the main bars on top of that, that also act as here main bar. That means here distribution bar in case of two-way slab act as main bar. So along that, on the top of this extra bar will be provided. So what is the reason of providing this top extra bar, top mat on above that? That is because in order to resist the negative moment, this extra bar will be provided on the top. Okay, I guess you people understood this. See, these 2 points, this thing I have explained you how L by B ratio is, if it is less than 2 or greater than 2, how it is identified, it is one way or two way. And next point, it is supported on beams on two opposite direction. That also I have shown you in case of one way. In case of two way, on all the four sides, the slab is supported by on all four sides of the beam. Then main bar is provided in shorter span. That also reason I have said, since load distribution will be taken place on the shorter span itself. So hence that is a reason the main bars will be provided on this. And you can see the load pattern acting in one-way slab. In two-way slab, load pattern will be acting in as trapezoidal as well as triangular manner, where the load distribution will be there on all the four sides of the beam. Hence the main bar will be provided in both the direction, where here distribution bar act as main bar. So the reason for providing the extra bar on the top is in order to support this crank section. Along with that, it is preventing the negative